round 6, round 5, round 10, I have no idea. But anyways, Street Machine Nationals. 18th day of July, 2025. At the time of our lives. Mach 1, it's a beautiful vehicle. You saw the other one in the other video. This is a classic.
Sure. Oh, that's a great idea.
Very nice. Ford over here.
Squeaky brakes today. I'm going to make a little loop and come back and hang her.
I'm looking forward to that. Oh, look at that. 7 and 8. What a great time, huh?
Yeah, they're coming tomorrow.
Oh, what are their names?
Tyler and Isaiah.
I look forward to seeing those guys come out. Have them come by, we'll talk to them. That's all about the family. That's a good example.
That bad boy, that's nice.
How you guys doing?
Beautiful
Hold on
convertible.
tight. I see you
442. What a bad boy.
Sir, got a problem with your wheel. What's your name, man?
Nice clean engine to get at, you know, the old school ones.
There's room for a big block.
Oh yeah. Love it. GT over here, convertible over here. That's pretty cool over here. Look at that bad boy. Nice. This is a nice vehicle right here. Look at that. Very nice. Got those the red wagon over there. Oh, they were here last year. So here's a Chev. I believe it's a 66. Yeah, it's a 66.
It's got a Corvair engine in the back.
Corvair?
Yep.
Ralph Nader would love you.
66. Nice. Very nice.
It looks really nice as well. It's all custom.
Put that in there. Nice. Yeah, there's some cool cars here. A lot of cruising around, a lot of GTOs, a lot of Mustangs. So it's the beauty of this show. You'll see cars you won't see anywhere else. It's fun.
Lots of late model muscle. Quite a few trucks. Some compacts.
There's a nice one over here, Trans Am. Look at this bad boy. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Banner Run 2023.
Got Nick out there helping out.
Nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
What year is it?
67.
Nice. What size engine in there?
LT1, 16 Camaro.
Way to keep hope alive, my friend. Appreciate it.
And we have about 4 vehicles out
Nice.
there. What else is happening from your perspective for the event this year? What's really exciting? Got the Q&A on all the
Little 10-11 car, that bad boy.
How about the swapping? That's filled up?
Yeah, it's pretty full. We've got more people coming in today, signing up
Nice.
for booths. We also are taking on-site
6.
booth sales for that. On Sunday, it'll be $50. And we got a birthday
Ah, look at this big bad boy over here.
Blue shirt.
Big truck to my left here.
And one of the things that people were asking about was your big guy. This year we got high-tech. So we have to event guy out there. How do folks access that?
We got a big truck here. It's kind of cool.
Coming, out of Little Lakes.
Download it, take a screenshot of the PDF.
So it's kind of a
QR code by the gate.
Look at this bad boy, classic. Long time ago. Very nice.
I will.
That's El Camino.
How are you, sir? Got the Fleetwood Pro. Pick you up.
Yeah.
Yeah, whoever the birthday boy was, happy birthday to you, brother. You don't look a day over 50. I got socks older than you.
Nice.
I didn't
Not
know
touch. Alright, fine. Dodge Coronet RT, nice. Black Beauty. So you can tell all the stuff they were doing to it. They tore it down, put it back together.
Make sure you know that
Very nice.
he helped you out. What's your name?
A lot of work. But what the hell?
All right,
Black Beauty.
67? 67
Corvette over there.
What's your name? What's up, where you from? Pretty nice car, 67?
I like it.
How long do we have it? 67. Oh, so it's pretty good.
The wagon over there. I love station. I love old
What's the
stations.
history on it? Did you buy it individual? Did you buy it consignment?
Nice.
I didn't have the time, my age, to build them.
Very nice.
So you buy them done.
Well, it's nice because at the time, when we were young,
Love
we
it.
don't have the money. And now, as we get older, we don't have the time.
327
Find a
Camaro.
happy medium.
We
First of all, just get on the passenger seat.
sitting that sucker. Go for a ride, man.
Great to have you with us. Thank you, guys. Classic race, classic car. Very good. Watch yourself when you go out there.
Nice. Nice GTO.
Look at that bumped up. 427, 67 Super Sport. Black. Okay, good. Look
Very,
at
very
that.
nice. It's a nice little truck right there. Z28. That's a nice one. Oldsmobile.
Yeah, Trevor with me, so I mean you'll get up there.
Like that one. That's a nice one. I like that convertible. That's nice. That's nice. The old, I don't know, I've never been in these kind of Corvettes. I don't get it, but cops are coming to get me. Nice. We'll go down over here. We'll go see the red wagon, the Dodge. You don't see those too much. Tesla. No one cares. That's a nice truck right there. Classic four-door right here. You don't see too many of those around. Those are cool tool around town. Very nice. That's for sale.
Line out in front of the fairgrounds or something.
I don't know.
This is
Like I've seen it going.
for sale. 18.5. That's a nice little fun little vehicle right around. Now the sun's coming out a little bit, but not too bad. So we'll get over the red wagon over here. I'll show you that. That's kind of, I love those, the red wagon. Those are classic. Nice. Camaro. But you don't see too many of the. Here it is, a red wagon. It's for sale, I guess. Little red wagon. Classic. $19.79. What do you guys think, huh? Ah, cool. I like it. Here's my other favorite vehicle. They were very expensive when they came out. They would have put a 6-cylinder, made them fun. They would have sold a whole bunch. These are cool. Looked at buying one before I bought my fag car. But they're cool. Little 2-seaters. They're like 25 grand right now. They're not. I like those SRs. Tiger. Here's none over here. Very, very nice. Very nice. You like these? I like these Camaros. These are nice. Me. Nice. But anyways, take a few pictures. We enjoyed that one.